In this video, we're going to show you how to put your Inogen into the oxygen testing mode, where we can actually physically see the internal reading of your Inogen concentrator. And this will work across all the portable devices. Same exact process, but today we have an Inogen Rove 6 in front of me. And all we're going to need today is just our concentrator and then the AC power supply. First thing we're going to do is just plug it into the power cord. All right, so with your concentrator plugged in, we're going to push and hold down the bell and plus button at the same time to access the menu here. All right, so it now says mode select. And if it doesn't say this, that means we either pushed one of the buttons down before the other. So you need to make sure you hit both of them at the same time. So we're going to hit the plus button until we reach auto pulse. So you'll see auto pulse there. And then we're just going to hit the bell button to confirm. And then bell button one more time. So now your concentrator is going to boot up. And then I'm going to put this one in the highest setting. This is going to be kind of more of a stress test on the highest setting. So that's going to let us know it's working its hardest, and it's going to give us our best reading to make sure everything's working correctly. So with it on a setting of 6 now, I'm going to press and hold down the bell button. And then you're going to see some numbers pop up, and then we're going to immediately push the plus button and hold that one down. All right, so this is the mode where we can actually see the internal oxygen that the machine's reading. You will see it on the top of the screen here. You'll see O2, and it's going to have 2 dashes right now. But after it's been running for about 15 minutes or so, you're going to actually see numbers come up on there. We're going to want to let this run for closer to about 30 minutes, and this is going to give us a nice accurate reading of what the machine is saying it's outputting for oxygen inside. And then after you're done, of course, we're just going to hit the power button to shut it off. And then you can continue use afterwards. All right, so I hope this video is helpful for getting your Inogen into its oxygen testing mode, where you can actually see the internal oxygen percentage that the machine is reading it at. If you do have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our service department here at Main Clinic Supply. Again, their phone number is 1-800-595-3551.